Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learn Spot. In this video we are going to see about the Anaconda distribution for Python as well as how to install Jupyter Notebook. So Anaconda distribution is one of the popular data science toolkit. It has all the inbuilt packages and it is an open source tool and it has a Conda packages. The Conda package includes all the Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and it is the best tool for machine learning models, and it is helpful for building and training the machine learning models using Anaconda distribution. With this one Anaconda distribution, there is no need to install all the Python packages as individual packages. Once we download this Anaconda distribution package, when we are working out in machine learning process, there is no need to install the Python libraries in between the process. And we have NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, all the other packages are also included. And it has an IDE which is called Spider, which is also a popular IDE. It is an easy IDE for executing our Python scripts. Now let's see how to install Anaconda distribution and how to install the Jupyter Notebook. Go to Anaconda distribution website. The bottom of the page we have a link called Install Anaconda. You can click on this link to download our Anaconda distribution. So once we click on this link, it asks you whether you are going to install it for Windows, Mac or Linux. You can select your OS and in that you can choose your Python version whether you need 3.7 or Python 2.7. So 3.7 is the latest, Python 2.7 is the old version, and in Python 3.7 we have many extra features added, so it is recommended to install Python 3.7. And we need to choose whether our system is 64-bit or 32-bit. So based on that we can download the file. Once we download the file, we can double click on that file to install. Here I have shown the installation in a fast forward mode, so you can just check how it got installed. Once the installation is complete, you can click on next to complete the installation. So click on finish to complete the installation. So now your Anaconda distribution is ready for use. If you want to open Anaconda, you can click on start. You can see the below apps under Anaconda 3 version. Here you can see Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda PowerShell prompt, Anaconda prompt, Jupyter Notebook and Spider, which is the Anaconda IDE for Python scripts. Here we can see that Jupyter Notebook is already installed. It is an inbuilt package in Anaconda distribution. There is no need to install Jupyter Notebook separately. Jupyter Notebook is one of the Python editor where we can edit our Python code, and this is also included in Anaconda distribution. So to open Jupyter Notebook, you can just double click on that and it automatically opens the command prompt, and once it runs some scripts in the commands prompt, it opens a browser window with all the files which are stored in Jupyter Notebook. So these are some of the files which is already stored in the Jupyter Notebook. It is one of the best Python script editor. We can have our own IDEs like Spider or default Python shell for executing the Python scripts. But what is special in this Jupyter Notebook is, I'll show you. an already existing file. So this is the already existing file in the Jupyter Notebook. So if I want to run this file, I can click on run and each step runs in. So you can see the output below. So there is no need to write the whole script and execute as a whole. You can write the script and see the output immediately after each step. So it is very convenient for us to correct the errors parallelly. So now let's see how to create a new file in Jupyter Notebook. So go to your localhost page, that is your main home page in Jupyter Notebook. Click on new. We have installed Python 3 version, so click on Python 3. It opens up a new Jupyter Notebook. So it is by default saved as untitled. If you want to save it, you can rename the file. So give some name, my first notebook. Click on rename. So now your file is saved. So to write your first script, you can just type some script or some writing, and to see the output, click on run. So you can see the output. So whatever we have input is called the cell where we give the input or write the script, and the output is shown with the out label. So the next line automatically pops up and you can type in your next line of code and you can execute it. So for example, if you want to write 2 lines of code like c is equal to 2 plus 5, and next line you want to print C, and you can click on run. But here you can see whenever you type the print statement, the out is not displayed. It is by default shows as a plain output without the out label. This is very easy to follow, and if I want to give some comments, I can give my comments directly with our Python command hash, and you can write the comment like addition, subtraction, whatever it is, you can just run it. But it shows as a code cell, not as a plain text. So if you want to display it as a plain text like a heading format, click on the cell where you are in and click on markdown. So now if you type introduction to Python and if you click on run, it automatically shows as a plain text. So if you want to show the same text as heading, you can click on heading. So it shows that if you put 2 hash before the heading, this is a level 2 heading. If I say 1 hash, it is a level 1 heading. So it automatically pops as a, sorry, I have typo error. So I will correct that. So you can run that to see the plain text or in the heading format. So this is the way we execute our Jupyter Notebook file. So Jupyter Notebook file will be saved in the format called .ipynb. That is the file extension for Jupyter Notebook. Hope you understand about the Jupyter Notebook concepts and you know how to install the Anaconda package. This is not the only way of executing the Python script. You can install Python separately and you can install the other packages like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib as separate packages using pip in the command prompt also. That is also available, but every time if you want to use a specific package, you need to go to command prompt. You can have to install all the packages separately. But in the Anaconda package, there is no need to install the other packages. It is already inbuilt. So you can start writing your code once you are done with the Anaconda installation. If you want to watch my other Python videos, you can check my channel Easy Learn Spot. In that I have given how to install the normal Python 3 version. You can follow that format also. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to concentrate more on machine learning tutorials where we will learn about how to use NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn and other machine learning tools. We will go in depth in that tutorials in our upcoming videos. If you like this video, please click the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel Easy Learn Spot. We will meet soon with some other useful tutorials. Thank you.